Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Fashion Hair Studio. How are you all? I hope all of you will be fine and doing good. Dear viewers, today's videos collections is all about beautiful and trending collections of styling, haircuts and hairstyles. Dear viewers, I always try to bring the latest video, latest designs, ideas for you and fashion sense for women according to fashion trending. Dear viewers, in today's video, you will see beautiful and stylish ball cut haircuts collections for beautiful women and girls of 2024. Dear viewers, in today's video, you will see beautiful and stylish bowl haircuts and hairstyles, designs, ideas, and you also will see buzz haircuts and under haircuts for ladies. So viewers, I suggest you to watch this video fully and enjoy whole this video and collection. And also share this video with your friends and relatives who loves to like these types of haircuts and hairstyles. So viewers, you will see beautiful haircuts for every age of woman in this video and according to face shape. So you can try all of these haircuts and hairstyles according to your face shape. So must watch this video and share this video with your friends and relatives and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more